So I had this idea for a digital product sitting in my notes for weeks. And instead of getting stuck in planning mode forever, I gave myself a challenge. Launch it today. I use this platform called Landingi. It's a no-code marketing tool that makes building landing pages ridiculously fast and honestly kind of fun. I picked one of their conversion-focused templates, used the drag and drop editor to plug in my copy, visuals, and added a call to action with a payment link. No coding, no getting stuck in design tweaks. What I love, the mobile version looked perfect without me touching anything. And I set up an instant email notifications so I knew every time someone signed up or bought. If you've got a digital product idea sitting on the shelf, seriously, don't wait around. Launch it today with Landingi. I dropped the link in the description below if you want to try it. They offer free trial and super beginner friendly.